Okay, so just in front of me here is the Hong Kong car from City U. I'm going to see if I can quickly climb in the car and show you guys around. So as I climb in, you guys can check around wherever you want inside the car, look at the batteries, look at how the driving position is, and all of those type of stuff. So let's quickly see if we can pass here and get into the car. Here's one of the team. Here's two of the guys from the team from City U. Hi. So they gave me the entire tour of the car and it's super pretty. Super pretty. So let me just climb in here without breaking something.
Do you fit?
I will make myself fit. Okay, no, I won't fit.
Your other leg.
Okay, look at my one leg. Like
I was exactly the same.
I'm gonna have to like chop it off to get it in
I was
here.
thinking we take this leg off. Okay. We could just take solder it back. No, we just take this leg off. We put it on later. You'll be fine.
Oh, does it have a quick release?
Yeah, but I'm not a driver. I don't know how to. Just relax. We don't need to pop it out. Niku can fit just like that. He's
I'll
fine.
sit here. So look in here, guys.
Squeeze.
It's literally like a race car,
Right?
You have all your instrument stuff is here. The batteries are here. Safety. You have vents. You even have vents.
Yeah, emergency stop.
Emergency stop.
Aircon.
Aircon. Oh my! You see. Efficiency. It's aircon. It's aircon. Very safe. It's all made of. It's made of an old racing car, right? It's basically an old racing car.
Yeah, the chassis was from a racing car actually.
Okay.
We just made modifications.
Yes.
Because it's made to support a combustion engine.
Yes.
So we have to change it a bit.
Change it a bit. Okay, awesome. So that's the interior of City U's vehicle.